Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to add an email signature in Outlook.com, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Go to your mailbox, click on the gear-like symbol at the top right corner, select View All Outlook Settings, go to the Compose and Reply tab, and then click on New Signature, name the signature, and then type whatever you want to type in the signature. After this, you can also check other settings, for example, whether you wish to select it for new messages or not, and if you wish to add it to BCC, if you wish to reply to all or just to reply, and then click on Save to save the settings. This will save your signature. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.